7 Tips for Choosing a Backpacking Destination. Backpacking is a form of low-cost, independent travel. Often the more exotic the countries visited, the better. When searching for places to go, there are several factors that you have to consider. The world is a prominent place with so many attractions to visit. I want to suggest 7 tips for choosing a backpacking destination that will help you to decide your first destination as a backpacker. 1. Choose a destination that will allow you to immerse yourself in diverse cultures. If you are planning a backpacking trip, you will have to decide where to go. You'll want to choose a destination that provides you with the experience you want and one that is safe and allows you to meet people from different cultures. The more unique the experience, the better. 2. Consider multiple destinations. If you're looking for a backpacking adventure, choosing where to go can be a challenge. There are so many destinations and ways to travel that it's hard to narrow your search. To help you out, here are some tips for choosing a backpacking destination according to different preferences. If you want a best of experience, but have a shortage of time, consider visiting several countries or regions in one trip. If you want to live like a local, a great way to immerse yourself in a culture is to stay with local residents rather than hotels or hostels. One great resource is Couchsurfing, which lets members connect with travelers worldwide and offer couch space for free. 3. Choose a popular destination. If every single person who visits a specific country and has the same backpacker budget as you, then that country's hostels and restaurants will be cheap, and there will be more things to do in that country than any other. 4. Starting your trip with the proper gear. If you are going on a backpacking adventure, chances are you already have most of the equipment you will need. Backpacks and sleeping bags are essential items you need to have to go on a backpacking trip. 5. Follow the locals' favorite hiking trails. If you like hiking, the best way to find new trails is by following the locals. They know where the excellent hiking spots are, what the best times of year are to go, and where you can get a good cup of coffee after. If you want to meet local people and learn about their favorite hikes, consider joining a local community project or volunteering for an environmental group. 6. Consider your physical ability. There are so many regions to choose from when choosing a backpacking destination. How do you know where to go? The first thing to consider is your physical ability. Backpacking can be challenging, and you must be physically up for the challenge. 7. Choose your destination based on cost, safety, and your preferred travel style. What's your budget? Wherever you're going, there will be costs associated with the trip. Factor in transportation costs and other expenses such as food and lodging. If money is tight, consider a destination closer to home so that costs aren't too high. Tips from the Simple Travel. Research the area you want to visit. Make sure you can get travel insurance for your trip. You can watch our travel insurance video on the channel. Talk to people who have already been there and ask them about their experience. Visit popular travel websites to read other travelers' reviews and recommendations. Get advice from friends and family or join an online community of backpackers to find what they recommend. Consider traveling with a friend or group of friends when you're starting. It's easier to do this than going it alone. Be flexible. If you have set plans, there is no room for spontaneity, which is one of the best parts of backpacking. You never know what adventures you may come across while on your trip. Have fun. Remember why you decided to backpack in the first place: for adventure, freedom, and excitement. Choosing the right backpacking destination can be a daunting task, but hopefully, these tips will make it easier. Planning your trip early and getting in touch with locals are 2 keys to enjoying your trip. Always give yourself flexibility if something unexpected happens, and enjoy the journey as it happens.